Hello, this is Nathan McEwen. I'm going to be doing the Advanced Topics video, and for it I will be doing a GUI, or a Graphical User Interface. Now, the test code I'm going to be using is one of the prototype codes for my final project. I called it Test 2. But what it does is it sets up a JFrame, or pretty much a little window pop-up right here. And it populates it with buttons, options, and then we can link those buttons to do things. So I'm going to be displaying the file button right now. So we have the public class, which sets up the whole thing, and it's going to extend a JFrame, which it will set up. It gets a JFrame from the import, and it sets up a default JFrame, but it's not defining anything. In the first constructor, though, we will set up a super, which will define it. It'll give it a name, it'll give it the size, set it resizable false, and the exit on close operation for the exit button. So then we will add a menu bar, we will add a menu bar via a method. So in this one, the constructor has a method, and then it will set in the menu bar made by the method. If we come down here to make the menu bar, we're making a menu bar that was indicated in the fields that was set up as a variable. So that's making a new menu bar, and that's adding it into the JFrame. Then we have the JMenu, which adds a menu button in the menu, and this is what the name of it is. It's called File. Then for the inside that, this is a JMenu item, or another button, which goes into the JMenu, which goes into the JMenu bar, etc., etc. So it's a box. To put it simply, it's a box within a box within a box within a box. So this is putting an exit button within the file button within the menu bar within the JFrame. Then we go down and add an action listener for that exit button. So this is actually linking a method and a private class to the button. So you can have the button, but now when we click it, click the button, it has an action listener. So we click the button, that triggers this. It goes to a class, which simply it just exit out of the program, and we can actually show that right now. So here's the little menu bar, here's the little buttons. Right now these don't do anything, but if we go down to, see it doesn't do anything, but if we go to exit, boom, it exits the program. And that is all I have to show you for the GUI. Thank you.